Hi! In front of me is ZTE AXON 20, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, my icon is now white. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll all the way down and click on Location. Now you can tap on this switcher next to Use Location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!